Okay, can we get a woot woot woot? We now have our little vehicle being driven by OpenCV. I've literally now just got to super glue all this crap together, right? So I have OpenCV running here. I have connected, oops, stop that. I've connected my AS6 to the Arduino to be the drive subsystem. So the AS6 can send serial commands to the Arduino. The Arduino reads those commands and then sends a signal to what's called the H bridge to make the motors move. And so if we're here, look at this, look at this. See, so my face, well, this is kind of hard here. So when my face gets close enough, well, if it gets too close, it goes backwards. Once it gets to a certain level, it's kind of hard to film this. I need a videographer. Right? So this is good. And then if I go, see now it's turning. Now it's trying to turn to get me back in the center. Then it stops. Then it tries to turn to get me back in the center. Then it stops, right? And then, so here is where my face is good. So I'm at a good distance to the camera. So then if I move back, it will now try to come forward. And if I come up, then I come up to a center, so then it stops. And then if I come even closer, so basically it should back, see now it's trying to back up. There we go, I gotta work on that code a little bit. See, it's backing up. So anyways, so now this is completely autonomously driving the wheels based off of OpenCV. And so with this, the code, let's turn this off, that's obnoxious in the background. The code, basically if we come up here, see what's really cool, right? So faces is, I guess it's a tuple or something. Anyways, it's a collection. So if the length of faces equals 0, we send the stop command. I learned that one the hard way. Regardless, so for X, Y, W, H in faces, if X is less than 200, right, left, so X is the X coordinate, right? If it's greater, if X is less than 200, go left. If X is greater than 340, go right. If width, so width is my actual face width. If width is less than 110, go forward. And if width is greater than 160, go backwards. And again, else stop. You gotta put those stops in there. And so when you come here, and I don't know where the hell's my OpenCV thing. There we go. So yeah, so the motor's off, but one of the things I'm doing is I'm printing out on the screen. This is a pain to do. There we go. So if you look up on the screen, see, I can see my X coordinate for my face, and I can see the Y coordinate for my face, and then I can see the width. So I literally print out the width and height. And again, remember in the technology world, as soon as I can turn something into text, it's dirt frickin' simple to parse and deal with. So yay! So now I'm super gluing. Now I literally have to super glue. And so the rest of today, what I'm going to do is basically I'm gonna try to duct tape all of this onto here. So we know we can power the AS6 off of this. We know OpenCV works. We know we can control the drive subsystem. So we know all of this works. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna super glue a stick onto this thing so I can rubber band a camera onto it, and then I have to figure out how to get all of this mess onto here, and then we're gonna have a robot. Oh, my first billion is coming soon. I'm gonna have this track Louis Rossmann's logo. I'm then going to sell this to Apple for $1 billion so they can go and try to deal with Louis Rossmann the way computer people should. And yeah. So anyways, there you go. Again, it is kind of weird using my little stick camera here as I try to do OpenCV. But yeah, I mean, and this is relatively like, this is the amazing thing. Like this is why I get so pissed off with the modern world, right? Again, don't get me wrong. Got my MCSE in 2000. Keyboards, mice, shared print. Oh my God, I remember when network printers were like, oh my God, you can share it on a network. That was amazing. Look, I get it. I was there 20 some odd years ago. It's now 2024. It is 2024, and people are learning still how to share printers and stuff. When you literally, all of it, this is just an x86 computer this is just Ubuntu. This is just Ubuntu. OpenCV, free, Python, free. Like, this is literally what you can build on a desk at home. So anyways, I find it to be exciting. So if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like these videos, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. And hopefully, by tomorrow, my goal is tomorrow, I will have a janky ass autonomous robot. See y'all later.